According to the World Health Organization, in 2016, more than 1.9 billion adults aged 18 years and older were overweight. Of these, over 650 million adults were obese. Overall, about 13% of the world's adult population, 11% of men and 15% of women, were obese in 2016. The World Health Organization also reports the worldwide prevalence of obesity nearly tripled between 1975 and 2016. The good news is that obesity and overweight are preventable. What do you think is the best solution to this problem? Is it A. Skipping meals? B. Taking weight loss pills? Or C. Combining exercise with a balanced diet? Let us know in the comments section below. In this video, we will discuss 6 ways to lose or maintain a healthy weight. Do you know what calories are? Do you know eating too faster can make you gain weight? Hello, welcome to Greenside Diary. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Skipping meals is not a healthy way to lose weight. Using this method to lose weight might seem to get results quicker. However, it is not healthy. You will miss out on essential nutrients, which will make you weak and tired, let alone falling sick. You may even end up eating more than usual because you will feel more hungry. So don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Eat regular healthy meals. It will help you lose or maintain a healthy weight. Knowing something about nutrition can help you have a balanced diet. Having a balanced diet regularly is one key way to maintain or lose weight. What is a balanced diet anyway? A balanced diet is a food that contains all the 5 food groups, including dairy products, proteins, fruits, vegetables, and grains. So to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, your regular foods need to contain all that. It is easy to find nutrition information online lately. You will do yourself a great help if you do more research about foods and the nutrients they contain. You can ask your doctor or a dietitian about your local foods that are not popular online or in books. Try and find out how to prepare recipes that are balanced as well. It will be greatly beneficial to your weight loss journey and healthy lifestyle. According to the World Health Organization, one reason for being overweight and obese is eating too many fast foods or junk foods. You probably might know that for a fact. Some are willing to stop or minimize their junk food intake. It is not easy to stop, especially if it has been part of you. Here are some practical ways to help you minimize the temptation of eating junk foods. Put healthy foods like fruits and vegetables around so you can easily reach out to them whenever you feel hungry. Let your fridge be more of greens. Another way of reducing the temptation of junk food is by making healthy food pictures more visible. Like changing your laptop or phone wallpaper to a healthy food picture. Or perhaps your interior, like this one. Or this one. Or perhaps something like this. It will mentally prepare you for healthy eating, helping you in your healthy lifestyle changes. Being active or living a sedentary life will not only make you feel weak and tired but also makes you overweight. If your daily routine does not require any exercise-like activities, here are practical ways to help you. 1. You might consider using the stairs instead of the elevator. Can you walk to work? If yes, then start adopting it. If your colleagues ask you, tell them you are exercising. You are actually, right? You might also need to buy some of your TV watching or playing video games time with a walk or brisk walk outside. It might be difficult, but when it comes to your health, it's worth it. Another way is doing some home exercises or joining a nutrition or a fitness club. You can also join the gym to do some aerobics exercises or anything like that. Some people eat so fast that they can't feel their tummy is full up. And that makes them eat more and more. When you eat slowly and gently, your body takes time to digest or breaks down the food you eat, which makes you healthy. When you eat slowly, sometimes you might realize you don't feel hungry as you thought. So, eat slowly and gently. It also shows good manners. Calories are the amount of energy released when the body breaks down, that is, digest and absorb food. The more calories a food has, the more energy it can provide to your body. When you eat more calories than you need, your body stores the extra calories as body fat. That stored fats makes you overweight and obese. Here are the recommended calories for a moderate active man and woman respectively. An average man between 26 to 45 years requires 2,600 calories per day to maintain his weight and 2,100 to lose a pound per week. While an average woman between 26 to 50 years requires 2,000 calories per day to maintain her weight and 1,500 to lose a pound per week. For you to know your calories, you can check the labels of processed foods. However, you can find the calories of an average fruit or vegetable online. Some mobile apps also help in knowing the calories of fruits and vegetables. For you to figure out the total calories of a homemade dish, use the nutrition label calculator to sum up the calories of each ingredient used in preparing the food. You also have to know that junk foods or sugary drinks and desserts contain higher calories. You should eat them occasionally. I said occasionally, not regularly. The consequences of being overweight and obese are very worrying. Diabetes, certain cancers like kidney and colon cancers, stroke, and heart disease are some of the consequences. We know you are working hard to lose weight. We encourage you not to give up. You will surely get your results soon. If you are not overweight, we advise you also to keep your weight in check. You need to see your doctor regularly about your health and your weight loss journey. Please share this video with anyone it might help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. G.